In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header size in Google Sites. Your header is the first thing visitors see, and its size sets the tone for your page. A smaller header keeps the focus on your content, while a larger one creates a bold visual introduction. Here's how to adjust it quickly and confidently. Start by opening the site you want to edit in Google Sites. Once your site is open in the editor, navigate to the page where you want to change the header size. You'll be working right at the top of the page in the banner area that displays your page title and optionally a background image. Click directly on the header section to select it. When it's selected, you'll see editing options appear specifically for the header. This is your cue that you're in the right place. Next, find the option labeled header type. It appears as a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to reveal the available sizes. You'll see 3 choices: small, medium, and large. Now choose the size that best fits your page's purpose. Small is compact and efficient, ideal for content-heavy pages where you want visitors to start reading right away without much scrolling. Medium provides a balanced feel with a bit of visual presence. It's a great everyday choice for most pages. Large creates a strong, eye-catching banner that's perfect for home pages, landing pages, or announcements when you want a standout first impression. As soon as you select a size, the change will apply instantly in the editor, so you can immediately see how your page looks. If the title feels cramped or too spaced out, simply reopen the header type dropdown and try another size until it feels just right. A few quick tips as you decide. Think about readability and space. Larger headers push content lower on the page, which is great for storytelling and branding, but can slow access to key information. Smaller headers keep things streamlined and are especially useful for pages with lots of sections. If you're using a background image, check that important parts of the image aren't cropped awkwardly with your chosen size, and make sure the text is easy to read against the background. Also remember that visitors may view your site on phones and tablets, where large headers can take up more vertical space. Once you've picked small, medium, or large and you're happy with the look, you're done. That's all it takes to change the header size in Google Sites and create a page that matches your message.